Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Potatoes are probably one of the most used vegetables around the world. They're not expensive, plus there are so many great recipes using them. As a side dish, there's a vast area to choose from. And here's another one. My garlic herb butter roasted potatoes. Incredibly tasty, these go so well with many grilled foods. It's a fabulous summer recipe to make. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add my garlic herb butter that has been melted and slightly warm. And to get the recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by 2 large cloves of garlic. The butter is very garlicky, but nonetheless, I still add a couple more pressed ones to intensify the flavor. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some hot paprika, and freshly ground black pepper. I should say mixed peppercorns because that's what I use 99% of the time. We'll whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended. Here we have our baby potatoes sitting in a large bowl that have been washed and halved, and we'll pour our garlic butter mixture over. We'll stir well, making sure the spots are nicely coated. Next, in a baking dish lined with greased foil, we'll drop in the potato mixture and spread it out evenly into a single layer. What I like to do is to put the flesh down at first, so when it's time to flip them, I don't have to guess which ones are not flipped. We'll now transfer them to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes before flipping them. See, it goes faster knowing the ones that are done and the ones that are not. We'll return them for an additional 20 minutes or until tender and golden brown. When time is up, we'll turn the boiler on low and cook for another 5 minutes, flipping halfway through. Before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, these are our garlic herb butter roasted potatoes. This delicious side dish complements many proteins perfectly. It's an easy recipe to make this season. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!